made it seem like he was an officer and was like, what's going on here? Put on the light or whatever, said, put your hands up. Like, I felt like I was either going to be shot and whatnot. Like, he literally asked him to go on his knees.
My name is Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram, and I am a storyteller. Welcome to the bunker. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Colonel channel. I am your self-proclaimed Commander, Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram, and today, something really scary I bumped into here as I was reviewing videos to make a point for people, and this one has to do with people that fake being police, and why this is particularly concerning these days is if you'll remember right here in my home state, someone masquerading as a police officer killed a politician and their spouse. So this whole impersonating a police officer thing is extremely dangerous. And I got to tell you what, I bumped into this and I did a little research. Florida, I didn't look at other states, but this is a thing. So let's just jump into this because it scares the hell out of me when people are believing that these imposters are police, and when now we know this can lead to someone being killed. This is scary stuff.
How are you? Good. So, why am I getting calls that you guys are blaring police horns?
We're not.
No?
No.
This isn't the first time that I've gotten this same exact call. And also your tag light is also out.
That's like the fourth time I keep fixing it, I keep burning out. You guys stopped me like a week or two ago.
Gotcha. Right.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
You guys have your licenses on you?
Yeah.
Where are you guys coming from?
Down south.
Down south?
Yeah.
Where down south?
Yonder.
Yonder?
Yes, sir.
Not from downtown where I just saw you?
Oh, we came from downtown, from the
Yeah. So not in that hidden parking lot right there by Waterfront?
I don't know where.
All right, give me a sec. It's a legit old police car, and they're like, yeah, I'm coming from down south. I'm like, where? From Yonder. I'm like, so you weren't just right in that back parking space? Yeah, we weren't blaring the horns or anything, but it's just that I could hear. But you have a tag light after. Wouldn't that be like impersonating a law enforcement officer?
It's very close, yeah. It's kind of what she says.
Yep. At least the potential people too up front.
Yeah, the very least up front.
Yeah. Yeah. Like they literally told that girl to get on the ground and like show us their hand or whatever they're saying.
But did they say?
Here's a very key point for the defense. They. So who?
Did they identify themselves as police is really the question.
Sorry, we've probably met each other before and whatnot.
Sorry, we're familiar.
Yeah, like, so basically we were just, relaxing, having a nice conversation with each other. Basically made it seem like he was an officer and was like, what's going on here? Put on the light or whatever, said, put your hands up. Like, I felt like I was either going to be shot and whatnot. Like, he literally asked him to go on his knees.
Oh, yeah. He pulled you all out of the car?
Oh, no, we were outside.
Okay.
He told us to get away from our vehicle, like impersonating that he is one of you guys. Like, I'm literally, been to jail. I'm already scared of this. Yeah. Like, I don't, that shit scared the living shit out of me. This should not be happening.
That they were police?
To get away from the car.
Right.
Yeah, he said this is the police.
Then he started giving us commands.
And then giving us a command.
So he said this, I'm the police.
Yes.
That's what he started with?
Yes.
Right.
He just didn't
He's got a loudspeaker in his car,
describe.
like
Okay, so
full spotlight, like
just
pulled in like he was
saying that they identify themselves as police?
Yeah, I just don't, they didn't say like which police department or whatever.
But they just said we are police.
Yeah.
We were sitting against the vehicle, and they both told us to step away from it and put our hands up. Like, he told me to get on my knees eventually, and they did burn out in the middle of the thing and sped off.
Can you step out and talk to me? Any weapons on you or anything like that?
No.
So, just gonna pat you down.
Yeah, you got it.
Any weapons in the car at all?
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Where are those gonna be?
Everywhere.
Okay. Come back here. Get the rights for me, silent. Do it again. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights as I have explained them to you?
Correct.
All right, so
So let's just stop, because this is always a thing. People, should they talk or don't talk? Don't talk. They've got whatever evidence they have already, they already have. So they're either going to use that, and they're going to develop reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. They're going to take you into custody, or they're going to investigate. But you don't need to add to it, especially if there's anything that did go on that could be maybe something that would be incriminating. Just don't say anything. Be respectful, and let the lawyer set it out later. Let's see what he does.
what's going on here?
Really?
I got people calling in saying that you guys are honking a siren at people, a police siren. I got people.
Horn or siren? That's two different things.
Okay, a siren. We're gonna get smart.
No, I'm not trying to be smart. Because I'm saying.
Well, it is two different things too, because right, a horn is a horn, and a siren is definitely a rescue vehicle.
I got two people calling that you all identified yourself as police, ordered two individuals out of their car, or they were already out of their car.
Okay, you all identified yourself as police. Okay.
And told them to put their hands up and get on their knees. Want to explain that? Elaborate a little bit?
No one said anything about it. We spotlighted people. Tell you that. We honked at people.
Okay,
That's
so
it.
elaborate on that. You spotlighted and honked at people.
Correct. There was them people right there. We spotlighted. They were sitting on the ground. Told us to stand up.
And who was the one controlling the spotlight and the siren?
I controlled no siren. I'll tell you that.
Okay.
But the spotlight I was controlling was on my side. And then.
Is there any siren that works in the car?
There is, but nothing's used on it.
Is there an intercom that works on the side of the car?
Correct. I mean, it's childish, but it's like, unless like.
You're scaring people to death that they think that they're going to be potentially arrested or shot. We already have a bad perception about ourselves just because of what we put on and do for work.
Yeah, there's nothing.
And then you guys go out and do that stuff. People already hate us. So what are they going to think if someone shines a light on them and is telling them all these things and what to do? How many guns are in the car right now? You said there's
4 or 5 maybe. I don't know.
They're in the trunk?
No, maybe there might be one back there. There's probably one next to everybody in there.
All right. Just turn around for me.
What is this for?
Everything we just talked about.
You're impersonating a law enforcement officer.
How so?
You spotlighting them, as you said, and you're giving them commands. You have a belief that they're a law enforcement officer, and they say that you identified yourself as a law enforcement
No,
officer.
not one person.
One second.
Did put something on.
That's one. Can you step out?
Yeah.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights as I have explained to you?
Yes.
So tell me what's going on.
I don't know, man. I'm just trying to get dropped off.
Okay, so what are you guys all doing tonight in a police car? Why am I being told that you guys are hitting the sirens? Why am I being told that you guys are shining a light, identifying as police, over the PA as well, and giving people commands to stand up, get on their knees? What's going on with this?
I've just been trying to get dropped off. I mean, we came down south, we were looking for girls, and then we came back up here, and we were just scrolling through.
Okay.
And, you know, I've been half asleep the whole time. I've just been trying to get dropped off back home.
So basically you're telling me is that you have literally zero involvement in this.
Yeah, I'm just in the back seat.
How many weapons are in the car?
4, I think.
Were there any that were where you were sitting?
Yeah.
Or any that was yours? Or any of those? Okay. Which one is yours?
The Glock and the AR.
Stand up. I can find it back. Thank you.
What did I do?
Thank you. 1 second.
Can you explain to me what I did?
Impersonate a law enforcement officer?
I don't understand how I did that.
Yeah, I don't understand how he did that either, because you have to identify yourself as a police officer. The car's got 3 different people in it, and who's actually driving might be one thing, but who's operating the PA system, who is representing that they are police, that's a problem they have right now, because I don't think they know who that person is.
I'm in the back seat, man. Come on, don't be an asshole. What the hell? They said we had to.
Would you step out for me now, sir? Here's the car. Anything on your person? See if you fucking hurt me? Yeah. Alright. Read this. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand your rights as I have explained to you?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what is going on outside.
I don't know, man. We came from Palm Beach and I'm not asleep. I'm waiting for him to drop me off. I'm just fucking riding in the car.
So you're just riding in the car,
Yeah.
don't know what's going on.
I was half fucking asleep until I saw the lights turn on behind us, bro. No, I'm just fucking riding in the car, dude.
Just riding, okay. Where's the PA system in the car?
I couldn't tell you. It's not my car.
So why am I, okay, so you don't know where it is, you're saying. Why am I being told by other people that you know where it is and that you were actually using it?
Here's an example of lying, and this is something you really need to be careful of with dealing with the police. The police can lie to you. He straight up just lied to him and told him all these things that people said about him, all completely false, and that is perfectly fair game. They can bait you, they can say stuff that's absolutely wrong just to get a response, and he's been Mirandized, so whatever he says in response to whatever they lie about, that can be used against him.
I don't know where the PA system itself is. I know it's got a controller for it.
Okay. Were you using it?
Played with it, but I mean, I'm not fucking commanding people.
Played with it? What does that mean?
I mean, there's a horn button. Is it illegal to press a horn?
I mean, to use the PA and all that stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back for me. All right.
Alpha Zulu 9-3. Instruction zero.
How many guns are in the back, you said? 4?
Probably 4.
Are any of them yours?
No, sir.
Did you say anything on the PA? I pressed the horn. You pressed the horn? Who was talking on the PA?
Let's put this in backs, whatever. Can you just run back the whole event for me one more time, exactly what happened and exactly what you heard?
Okay, so I'm thinking, because I'm just down, all I hear is, "We are the police, stand up, turn around, put up your hands, step away from the vehicle." He commanded him to go onto his knees, and I was like, what on earth did we do?
Yeah.
Do his command of getting on the knees. That's when he just did a spin around, and we were like, okay, that was not the cops, that's illegal, or that is the cops and they were just fucking with us and that is illegal. I don't know who's on duty, and that person needs to get in trouble.
You heard.
We're sitting like this, but I'm facing her, so I see the guy come in. He doesn't have anything marked inside his vehicle, and like he doesn't have the spotlight on at first. But like, as soon as he like gets straight on with us, turns the light on, high beams on, starts issuing his commands. Just police, stand up, turn out.
You see the handgun they had in the driver's door?
I saw the rifle.
There was a 1911 right in the driver's side pocket door, like right here.
Right there?
Yeah, right on the other side on his driver's side pocket door.
Fully loaded, camera back, everything ready to go.
Yeah, he said he has like 4 or 5 in there.
Really?
Yeah, and I asked him, real or BB guns? Real. Nice little light.
Yeah. Magazine and then ammunition.
And horns. Sirens work.
Sirens and lights work, yeah.
Right back to the couch.
Okay.
I did not know that word, that's all yet.
It's a tan colored Glock, 19X.
They order next.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Hunting in the past couple of days, like I said, they left it all in there.
I put a little note kind of on the bottom that
I felt that they were threatening their lives because of
because of their commands.
And this
pretty
is
aggressive.
Yeah, and this goes in the report, and also
It's readable. I'm sorry. It was just rushed. I don't want to.
No.
Sitting here and I kept.
You may believe what I've get sometimes, and it's like I can't read it, so.
Okay, so that's readable. Sorry, and I
Yeah.
made a couple of mistakes.
No,
The suspects, later identified as James Hayes, Dylan Thompson, and Nathan White, were all transported to the Martin County Jail and charged with felony impersonation of a police officer. All of them were given a cash bond of $2,500, and after a couple of days in jail, all charges were dropped and they were released from custody.
Okay, real quickly, I wanted to just go through the statute here because do you know what the problem is with this prosecution? You saw that the charges were dropped. Well, let's look and see what the statute will require here. So the first part of this statute in Florida is pretty much anybody who pretends to be a officer of any kind. The rest of the language, basically, if you falsely assumes or pretend to be a law enforcement officer of any one of these varieties, then and takes it upon themselves to act or to require any other person to aid or assist him in a matter pertaining to the duty of any such officer, commits a felony in the third degree, punishable by what's provided in the statute. So what do you think the problem is? I think I know. They can't pin this on a particular person. And if they hadn't talked at all, it would be even less information. But at the end of the day, this is really scary stuff. I think these kids were out just for a thrill ride. I don't think they were really intending to do anything other than prank people. But with what happened in Minnesota, where that killer had a plan to go and use his disguise as a police officer to kill and kill and kill, that is the problem with these things. I think that they're very dangerous and they're very prolific. And look at some of this Florida stuff. Well, until the next time, this is Wolf 6 from the Wolfgram Worldwide headquarters here in downtown Minneapolis, out here.